what's going on, everybody? It's your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devrell Davis, and we're doing the unboxing of the Neobuds Pro 2 from Edifier. It is Prime Day. This is day 2 of Prime Day, and this was a purchase that I made on Amazon Prime. This originally on Amazon was $129 prior to Prime Day. And on Prime Day itself, which was yesterday, I got it for $99. So great, $30 off. Can't beat that. For some headphones that's that's been out for roughly about 7, maybe 8 months, and making a lot of people believe that this is more on the premium side of headphones, more on the flagship side of Edifier's headphones. I do have Edifier's over the ear headphones, which I love. Haven't done a review on it yet, but I did an unboxing of it prior when I first got it prior to this video. So that's it open right there. I know, but this video is not about the Edifier over the ear headphones. We're talking today about this one right here, the Neobuds Pro, and it's making a lot of people believe that this is right there and it could battle with the Sonys and the Boses of the world and potentially compete against them in the Apple earbuds and stuff like that. So let's go ahead and open this, and then we'll definitely see more about it. So it just came in today from Amazon. One day. Of course, I have Amazon Prime, and Prime Day is like a national holiday for people now. I'm at work. Yeah, there we go. Beautiful. All right. So it's also in the plastic. So got out the box originally. Let's get out of this plastic box right here. All right, got the plastic off. So now we're gonna take off the top right there. Nice little Edifier sign right there. Not mad at it at all. This was the sleeve that came in. Another sleeve. Is it plastic on that? What is it? Oh, there we go. Sorry, it's not another sleeve. It's a magnet. So we're gonna open it this way. Boom. And voila, nice. This is the Edifier sign. Has a little taping on it. Came in a little cushion. And this is, oh, lights up nice. So Edifier now, look at that light. Look at that bright, nice blue light, LED lights. Nice and small. I'm gonna give you a comparison in sizes. It has a nice little plastic to cover the sign. Let's see what else is in this box. Some stuff down here in the bottom, of course. The usual suspects, the usual things that comes with headphones, like the charging. So this is everything in the box. Don't need this. Of course, the headphones itself. What's this right here? Let's open this up. Oh, nice little case to carry it in. Beautiful. Nice little case. Different settings as far as what size ear buds or the ear part is good for you. Of course, instructions, user manual, stuff like that. Edifier sticker. And on to what we came here for, which is the headphones itself, the earbuds. So we're gonna take this plastic off because we don't need it anymore. And let's go ahead and open the product again. I like the this is how it looks right here outside of it. And these are gonna be my new daily drivers for the time being. Reason being my Bose, and I'll show you that. I'm bringing the Bose right here. A little bit bigger case, but the case actually broken. I've been writing them to get a new case. I could actually get a new case on Amazon for $99. These are $349 headphones. These are the flagships for the Quiet Comfort. This is a flagship for Bose, but right now they're out of commission till this is taken care of. All right. So this was the unboxing of the Edifier Neobuds Pro 2. Can't wait to get this in my ear and definitely hear how it sounds. It's great for gaming, from what I understand. Great for movies and stuff like that. We'll hear how it is with phone calls and other features. And yeah. I'm your host of the Morning Beer Podcast, Devereaux Davis. Just want to give you a quick video on a purchase I made to help you see what purchases you're probably going to make, and then see the product live and in living color. Talk to you later. Peace.